Australia, and actually the whole world, can benefit from you washing your clothes and dishes and cleaning your whole house and car with the best eco-friendly products. Propre cleaning products are phosphate-free, biodegradable, and contain no fillers or bleach. They contain no harsh chemicals that could be absorbed into your skin or inhaled, as would be happening whilst cleaning with other products. So the products are safe for you and your family and very gentle on the waterways. Every year, tons of plastic end up in our oceans. We need to minimise single-use plastics, reduce the amount of waste generated, and take far better care of our Earth for now and for future generations. Propre cleaning products come in recyclable packaging, so from using these products, not only will you have a safe and clean home, but you will feel comforted to know that your impact on the environment is significantly reduced. The Squish and Scoop range of cleaning products are super concentrates, meaning they will save you money by being an economical way to spruce up your home. Scoop and Squish cleaning products are Australian made and owned, so you can feel comforted to know that your money will not disappear overseas. With every Squish and Scoop product purchase, $1 will be donated to help regenerate the Daintree rainforest. Every Scoop and Squish product sold comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you're not 100% happy with any Propre product, simply return it within 90 days and you'll receive a refund of the product cost. Click the link below to learn more about eco-friendly cleaning products Squish and Scoop from Propre.